Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the Audio Cosmic Guru Securities. I'm your host and guide in India Banishi. Yesterday the markets were really quiet. US stock markets closed mixed और आज Asian equities are largely on the upside. So a risk on sentiment is prevailing. Dollar index is marginally lower. Dollar is slightly lower against the Asian currencies. USD is flat 82.75 on the spot. Aj, the focus will be on the US inflation data or CPI data. If it comes in line or weaker than expected, then it will be negative for dollar. A stronger data can be positive for the US dollar. Expectation is that it could be slightly lower than last month, but we have to see whether that happens or not. It will be released in the evening, so we will get to see the impact after tomorrow when we start our trading. इसके अलावा Indian inflation is also there and is expected to be around 5% mark. It should not have much of an impact on the currency market. USD INR 82.75 है on the spot reference in the offshore and 82.80 से 82.90 that is going to be a major resistance and 82.65 is going to be a support. If it breaks down below 82.65 it can head towards 82.30 levels. Which is a support and also a March 31st close, the last March 31st of 2023. So 82.30 below 82.65 is the support. Now, if you look at the option market data, people are doing two kinds of trades. They are still heavily shorting options, specifically the put options, because they're of the opinion that we may not see a big momentum, but also the rise in the open interest could be attributed to the fact that some of the traders could be also hedging their tail risk. Matlab, they could be buying some OTM puts in case the momentum returns and we see a sharp down move. Because FPI flows in the debt market remains heavy. We are seeing a decline in the bond yields. 10-year is hovering close to the 7% mark, 7.01 now. So the FPI flows are heavy, corporate repatriation flows are heavy, but there is also a news of an outflow of $2 to $3 billion could be on account of the corporate action by BAT, which is the parent company of ITC. So उसके कारण कुछ outflows हो सकता है. So it is quite possible that over this week the inflows and the outflows could balance themselves out, and RBI may not be forced to intervene too much to balance out the demand supply issues in the USD INR. So if that's the case, then we could see a range bound price action in USD INR this week, but we'll always keep a watch out for if any sharp move happens. In case the USD INR pushes higher on this corporate outflow, then it could be an opportunity to sell short, because any spike is not sustainable because the larger trend is still downward. Yes, it could be just slow downward move or it could be a fast downward move. That is the debate. Otherwise, the trend is clear, it's downward. Euro INR, GBP INR may see an upward move. Yen INR could remain range bound ahead of the Bank of Japan meeting next week. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.